Hi, it's Phil from Phil on Gold again. We're back with the series on talks or bangles. This is a bangle. This is a talk. Okay, so if you remember, we've just done the soldering part here. It just wants a little bit of cleanup, really. I'm going to reach for my bangle mandrel, which we couldn't find earlier because we're taking it to the craft fair. I'm just going to put a few little marks back on here, if I can find my special hammer. Okay, so I don't know if you can see here where the join is. I'm just going to put a few that'll do. Okay, so going to clean up the side parts now. To be honest with you, there's not a great deal to do, but you always work on your peg if you can. I know I wasn't working on it before, but that was only to stop the horrible droning noise. To be honest with you, I'm just going to flatten this off a little bit. So I need my special hammer, which is hiding down here. I'm just going to tap it. Much more better. Okay, so got a little bit of work to do on the inside here, and then we should be ready for polish. So if I can just reach for my noisy flexi drive again. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to have to spend a bit of time cleaning the inside of this up, make him nice. This noise always reminds me of the bit in Crocodile Dundee 2, probably it was, when he was waving the thing around his head to make a signalling noise. Okay, so we just got to do the outside, make him nice and smooth. Now just going to run around with the flat file. What you don't want to do is skid off across here and put horrible marks across your work. But I've been doing it long enough not to make those silly mistakes. Famous last words, eh? Okay, that's one side. I'm actually not used to working so slowly, but if I went whizzing, it probably wouldn't look nice on camera. Okay, so that's that. I'll put that away. I'm just going to give this a tap with the leather mallet, just to hopefully get him to sit right. Okay. Okay. It's a bit squarer. Okay. Right. Okay, so I need to go over it and clean up all this texturing, which I do with my flexi drive once more and a wire brush in the flexi drive. Obviously I don't want to press too much because I don't want to get rid of the lovely texture I put on it. I'm just going to change the brush. I have a smaller one, see if that's any better. I have a brand new one as well by the look of it over there. Right, let's have a look. That's better. Okay, and then it's off for polishing, which will probably be done off camera, or let me just do this one. There's just not a lot of room in my polishing area for 2 people. Let's see if I can sort something out for the future. Okay, that is just about it then, apart from being polished. So we've got 1 torque, open-ended, 1 bangle, closed-ended. Okay, so I might bring you back when I've polished it all, but in any event, I will show you the finished article. So for now, it's goodbye.